Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with minimal setup. Make sure your Benco phone is unlocked and has enough charge, because the process may prompt for a PIN. Open Settings and navigate directly to About Phone or About Device. Once there, locate Build Number and tap it 7 times. You will see a countdown, then a confirmation that developer mode is enabled. This step unlocks deeper controls used for debugging and testing. Once done, you may be asked to enter your lock screen credential to confirm your intent. Once done, return to the main settings menu and look under System, Additional Settings, or directly for developer options. OEM menus vary, but the option appears after About Phone. Toggle developer options on and accept the warning. This confirms you know the risks. From here, enable USB debugging if you plan to use ADB, adjust window and transition animation scales to speed UI feedback, or enable stay awake for development charging. Make changes intentionally. These settings now finalize settings you need. Enable USB debugging and accept the RSA prompt when connecting to a computer. This allows ADB and app installs. Tweak background process limits or logger buffer sizes for testing, and revoke USB authorizations if you suspect a security issue. If developer options do not appear, restart the phone, recheck the correct About Phone section, or use settings, search for build number. Older or heavily skinned Android versions may place it differently. These checks resolve most visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.